How to archive Instagram stories before 24 hours. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, add your story. After you have added your story, click on your story. You'll find three dots on bottom right corner of your screen. Simply click on three dots. You'll find all these options. You'll find archive option below, delete, and above save photo, which is the second option. Click on archive. And as you can see, click on view and your story will be here archived. And simply you can also go to your profile and search for archive, and there you will find the story you archived. And this is how to archive Instagram story before 24 hours. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.